Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Huang, a physical therapist here at Rehab and Revive. Along with physical therapy, I focus on lymphatic drainage and pelvic rehabilitation. The lymph system absorbs, transport, and recycle products from the interstitial space. The products in the lymph system include protein, water, cells, fats, cell debris, white blood cells, cancer cells, bacteria, virus, and many other that only the lymph can handle. Think of it like a small plumbing system alongside your circulatory system. But unfortunately, plumbing that's been overloaded can easily become clogged and less efficient. So, how do we ensure that our lymphatic system plumbing is flowing and functioning properly? Now, I will share some simple yet effective tips to help promote lymphatic flow and drainage, which can be especially beneficial for those with conditions like lymphedema. First up, stay hydrated. Drinking lots of water is crucial as it helps to thin the lymphatic fluid, making it easier for the lymphatic system to transport toxins and waste products out of the body. Ensure you have healthy and regular bowel movements. This helps the body efficiently expel waste, preventing toxins from re-entering the lymphatic system. Try dry brushing. This technique stimulates the skin and promotes lymphatic circulation by encouraging the flow of the lymph fluid towards the heart. You can find a detailed tutorial below. Engage in the right kind of movement or exercise. Light exercise such as walking or swimming can really help boost lymphatic flow. These activities encourage muscle contraction, which facilitate the movement of the lymph fluid throughout the body. Using a vibration plate is another great option. The vibrations enhance lymphatic circulation by stimulating muscle contractions and helping to move stagnant lymph fluid. We particularly love this one from Merach. In addition to promoting lymphatic flow, it can be a fun tool for working out with its resistant band attachments. And also has an EMS feature. To utilize it for lymphatic flow, I recommend using it daily for 5 to 10 minutes, working your way towards 10 minutes. Use whatever intensity feels the most comfortable for you. If you find that standing on the plate makes you dizzy, you can also try sitting with feet on it. If you are interested in this vibration plate, you can find a link with a promo code in the description box below. But if that's not an option for you, a rebounder works wonder too, providing similar benefits. The recommendations are the same. Try using it daily for 5 to 10 minutes. Give these tips a try to promote healthy lymph flow. Remember, it's always best to consult with your healthcare professional to ensure these methods are right for you. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exercise and tips. I'm Dr. Huang. Thanks for tuning in.